relationship to work, two people, whatever relationship yan, friendship, parent, children relationship, romantic relationship, couple, for it to work, dapat daw marunong magpatawad yung isa't isa. Because a union must be about two forgivers. Like marriage, it's a union of two forgivers. Friendship, it's a partnership of two forgivers. If it's parent, children, for you to call it family, it should be a group of forgivers because of this belief that no one's perfect and whether we like it or not, at some point, magkakaroon tayo ng kakulangan. Or if not us, the other person, the other side. And as someone who loves the person, who loves the partnership, who loves the connection, we must learn that forgiveness must be part of that relationship. Well, there is truth in there kasi, you know, kahit gaano natin gustuhin na hindi magkamali, there will be times that we become fragile, we become susceptible and vulnerable to committing these mistakes, consciously, unconsciously. So we need someone who understands. We need someone who will help us grow, someone who will be with us and teach us a lesson for us to become better people, better persons. But we cannot deny the fact that for some, meron kasi yung mga mistake na hindi na kaya ng sistema nila. And we respect that. We always respect that. Kahit ako, kahit sino, may ganun sila. We have this, what we call limits. Okay? But it doesn't mean they are bad people or you are a bad person. Because in this earth, one thing I've realized and I've learned, I'm still learning every day in our lives, yung changes laging nandyan. Every day in our lives, we still learn kahit gaano pa kataas yung antas ng edukasyon na nakuha mo, kahit gaano ka pa katanda. So it's not about age. We still learn from each other, with each other. If it's not with each other, yun siguro na